Hi, everybody, and welcome to this vision statement workshop. The title of this presentation is What is Your Vision for 2025 and Beyond? And hopefully, by the end of this workshop, you'll be able to answer that question. My name is Dawn Goff, and I am the owner of Atlantic Startup. I'm based in Clarenville, Newfoundland, but I also travel between St. John's and Corner Brook. And I'm offering startup services to entrepreneurs based in Atlantic Canada. So, just a brief introduction and to let you know who we are, what we do, what we're all about. I have been offering free appointments to entrepreneurs interested to know more about the business funding that's available. So I'm still going to be offering that in 2025, and that is my QR code if you want to book a free appointment or you know someone who would like to get an overview of funding opportunities, you can let them know. Essentially, this is Atlantic Startup's vision statement. We help Atlantic Canadian entrepreneurs start and grow their own businesses by providing funding advice, business plans, and growth strategies. What I hope you learn from this is by the end of this workshop, you will have a completed, actionable vision statement that will serve as the foundation for your future success. This process will help you gain clarity on who you are, what you do, and why. You will be able to use your vision statement to guide your decisions, inspire you to take action, and build confidence in your work. We can also use the vision statement to create your LinkedIn headline, which I'm very excited about. What is a vision statement? A vision statement is a concise and inspirational declaration that outlines what you or your organization aspires to achieve in the future. It's your North Star, reflecting your values and dreams while pointing you towards the impact you want to make in the world. A great vision statement serves multiple purposes. It can inspire action, motivating you to move towards a goal. It can clarify your purpose, define who you are and why you're here. And it can also help to engage others, attracting other like minded individuals, clients, and partners who share similar aspirations. Some of the ways you'll be able to use your vision statement: crafting your elevator pitch, your LinkedIn headline, your website headline, and other social media headlines. You can also use it during goal setting, creating things to do every day, every week that get you closer towards your overall vision. This is the template we're going to be using. So I encourage everybody to get out a pen and paper and jot down this template. I also provided a handout. You can get a link to the handout on the LinkedIn event or on the Facebook event page. So on the handout, you are asked to answer these questions. So you fill in the blanks A, B, and C. In column A, you answer who you help. In column B, you answer the outcomes that you deliver. C, you answer how you do it, and then followed by 2 or 3 keywords. You take those answers and you plug it into this template, helping A achieve B by C, followed by your keywords. This template forms your structure for your vision statement. So first, you state who you serve and who you help. This is your target audience or target market, the people or organizations that you serve. Second, what outcomes you deliver, the results you provide solving their problems or meeting their needs. Third, how you do it, and this is the methods or processes you use to deliver those outcomes. Your keywords can be relevant words or phrases that encapsulate your value and expertise. Some example vision statements include, for a personal vision, to empower individuals to achieve personal growth and success through mindfulness and creativity. A sample vision statement might include to revolutionize sustainable tourism by creating transformative nature-based experiences that connect people to the environment. A nonprofit organization may say, a world where every child has access to quality education and the opportunity to thrive. As you can see, a vision statement captures your purpose, aspirations, and impact in a concise yet powerful way. A vision statement can summarize who you are and what you're all about into one concise, impactful sentence. My personal vision statement is I serve socially and environmentally conscious business leaders with kindness and knowledge to make the world a better place by offering environmental and business services. My personal LinkedIn headline is helping big dreamers achieve financial independence, and then my keywords are business plans, proposals, business advisor, and founder of Atlantic Startup. So these are the 3 components of a strong vision statement. Number 1, who you help. Number 2, what outcomes you deliver. And number 3, how you do it. And we're going to get into that in more detail. Step 1 is to identify your target audience, also known as who you help. Your target audience is the foundation of your vision statement. Think about your ideal client. Who are they? What's their profession, their values, their challenges? What problems do they face that you can solve? What transformation are they seeking, and how can you help them achieve it? I want you to make some quick notes about who you help and how you help them. Just write a few lines explaining it. Imagine if you were explaining it to a friend and write that description. This doesn't have to be forever, this is just for now. These are the people you will be targeting on LinkedIn, and the more you know about them, the easier it will be to find and help them. Some example target audience. So, if you're a graphic designer, your target audience might be small business owners who need branding that stands out in a crowded marketplace. If you're a life coach, your audience could be busy professionals seeking work life balance and empowerment. Take a few moments to jot down notes about your ideal client. Step two is defining your desired outcomes, or what outcomes you deliver. It is important to clarify what outcomes you deliver. This is where you focus on the value you bring to your clients or audience. Key questions to ask yourself may include: what is the main result you aim to provide? How does your work solve a problem? And what connection or transformation do you create? If you are a financial consultant, your vision statement may reflect desired outcomes by saying, helping clients gain confidence in their finances and achieve long term stability. A nonprofit leader might say, providing resources that empower underserved communities to thrive. Write a few sentences or notes about the outcomes that you deliver. Remember to focus on the impact that you have. Step three is clarifying your method and your keywords. Let's talk about how you deliver the outcomes you considered in the last step. This is where you describe your unique approach, style, or process. Think about what sets you apart. How are you different from competitors? What adjectives describe your approach? And what skills or expertise do you bring to the table? Finally, we'll be selecting relevant keywords. These keywords are important because they'll not only help people find you online, but will also form the basis of your LinkedIn headline. What words will help your ideal client find you? This will ensure you show up in search results, especially on LinkedIn or Google. Some examples for finding your best keywords. So, just picking what sets you apart. If you're a graphic designer, you might specialize in crafting minimalist logos for startups. What skills or expertise do you bring to the table? A life coach might highlight their expertise in cognitive behavioral therapy or motivational interviewing. Choose 2 to 3 keywords that resonate with your style. Bringing it all together, take a moment to draft your vision statement. Here are a few more examples. Helping small businesses stand out by providing bold, creative branding using innovative design principles. Helping eco-conscious travelers connect with nature by offering sustainable tourism experiences using local expertise. Once you've written your draft, refine it to ensure it's clear, concise, and impactful. Congratulations, you've just completed your vision statement. For some next steps, you can use your vision statement as the foundation for your LinkedIn headline, which I highly recommend. Share it with your business advisor. If you don't have one, you can reach out to me. Schedule a free appointment for personalized guidance. Thank you for joining me today. I can't wait to see how your vision statement transforms your journey for 2025 and beyond. Here is my contact information. You can reach out to me anytime. You can call or text me, 709-766-1859. My email is atlanticstartup@gmail.com. My website, atlanticstartup.com. And as always, you can book a free appointment with me where I will give you an overview of funding programs available to local entrepreneurs. I hope that this was helpful to you, and I hope that you can now answer this question: what is your vision for 2025 and beyond? Thanks, everyone.